So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can set voice memos as the custom ringtone on iPhone. So with the latest iOS 26 update, you can set up custom sounds and voice memos as the ringtone on your iPhone. So let's see how this works. First of all, open the Voice Memos app on your iPhone. Now here, tap on this red icon to start the recording. Now make sure that your recording is under 30 seconds. Once done, tap on this button to stop it. Now once you record the audio in the Voice Memos app, tap on these three dots. Now here tap on Share. After this, tap on More. And here you will get various options. Here tap on Use as Ringtone. And once you do this, this will set the voice memo as a ringtone. So this is how you can set voice memos as a ringtone on your iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.